Hello! This time on Quick Tips, we're talking about the best practices for taking your laptop into coffee shops and cafes to work remotely. Let's go! Tip 1. Avoid crowded cafes. At some coffee shops, grabbing a peak hour seat can be nearly impossible. Fortunately, Google's Popular Times feature shows you when everything from museums to local bars to coffee shops are expected to be the busiest. Type your destination into Google and you'll get a bar graph that depicts the place's predicted busyness on any given day of the week to the hour. This makes it easy to know that, for example, your local cafe will likely be packed at 2 p.m. on Tuesdays, but relatively quiet by the time 5 p.m. rolls around. Tip 2. Find new places to work. If your closest Wi-Fi cafe is frequently too crowded, you may want to try out a new place, but you want to make sure it has the goods to double as your office, such as fast Wi-Fi and plentiful power outlets. To help you, there are a crop of new sites and apps that rate businesses on just these metrics. The biggest is probably workfrom.com, with a database that spans more than 300 cities, or the iOS app WHA by the developer Work Hard Anywhere. This iPhone app uses your location and gives you a map of nearby laptop-friendly spots. You can apply filters for fast Wi-Fi, outlets, space, parking, bathrooms, and more. Tip 3. Stay secure. Hackers take advantage of your thirst for free Wi-Fi by creating networks that have legitimate-sounding names, and then they hope you'll be fooled into logging on. Such rogue hotspots are especially common at busy places such as airports and often feature official sounding names like AT&T Hotspot or simply free Wi-Fi. You should double check with a cafe's manager to make sure the hotspot you're using is theirs. However, even an official cafe hotspot can be compromised by a determined hacker. Thus, it's probably best not to do any banking, bill paying, or shopping over public Wi-Fi. Other simple ways to beef up your security: use encrypted websites that have the HTTPS prefix in their URL. You can also look for a small lock icon in your web browser to confirm this connection. It's usually near the search bar. Or you can use a virtual private network, a VPN, to add an encrypted layer that all your data passes through. While many companies supply VPNs for employees to use while working remotely, you can also try free ones such as CyberGhost VPN or paid ones, which tend to be faster and ad-free, including Hotspot Shield Elite or Pro XPN. Tip 4. Stay private. With all the attention paid to hackers spying on you via rogue networks, it can be easy to forget that working in public likely puts your screen and all of its potentially sensitive contents within eyeshot of strangers. Such spying is called shoulder surfing, so pay attention to where you sit and who is nearby. One way to reduce risk: use a laptop privacy filter that slides over your screen and limits the viewing angle to straight on. And for the best performance, turn down the screen's brightness. The lower the brightness setting, the more effective the filter will be at narrowing the viewing angle. That's it. I hope today's tips will help you get out and about with your laptop more efficiently and effectively. You can find many more of our quick tip videos on YouTube. Until next time, bye.